Hello my viewers, today in this video I will show you how you can model your connection in Revit. Okay, in this tutorial I will just focus on single-sided ended plate connection. Okay, you can see from this picture you can model your connection. If you like what I am doing, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and comment also. So let's get started. So I have to take column and suppose I am taking this column, make this fine so it can be easy. Go and select the beam also and place the beam like this and this. Go in 3D. Okay, make little bit large so you can understand it. Make it shaded. Okay, now we will see how we can place the connection to this beam and column. Okay, for that we have to just go to the steel here, then you have the connection right there. Okay, then go to the settings, click on the connection setting and select all. Later we will see which we have to select from there. Add it and okay. It will take little bit time to load this. Okay, now to create the connection you can use two ways. Okay, you can select these two member, then click on the connection, go in steel and click on the connection, or you can click on the connection first and then you can select this two member. Okay, I like first select the two members, then go to the steel and select the connection. Once you do the connection, you just click on it, go and search the connection which you want to do. So I want the connection single side end plate, so search it, single side end plate, single side. Okay, this one, click here. It will take and then click outside. It will take time to load the connection. Make it fine so it can be visible to you. Okay, here you will see the connection. Okay, now if you need to design your connection, size of the plate or the bolt size, for that simply select the connection, go to edit type, create duplicate, give some name over here and click OK. Click on edit, modify parameter, click edit. It will take little bit of your time. Here you can see clearly how it's look your connection. So go to the plate and bolts. Here you will see plate alignment. If you want to make it alignment plate thickness, let's give 15. Now it's okay. Now go to bolt and hole. A35 B wall. Suppose I want this one. Standard, okay. So bolt grade 8.8. Let's make the horizontal bolt. You will see here, make it projection. You will see when I am voltage, you will see like this, and projection it will be increased. Okay, number of bolt per side you want. Okay, here you have see total description is given how you can place this. Okay, if you want to make this edge distance, you can make it 40 also. Okay, this one also let's take 40. Vertical bolt, you want to place the vertical bolt here, secondary, let's keep it secondary. Bolt from the top, total from the top. Okay, so plate height, make plate height 200. Let's see how it's look. We want little bit more, so keep it 300. Okay, now it's look good. So I want one bolt here. For that we have to group, click here 4. You will see 4 bolt has been placed here, and everything will be okay. Now go to stiffener. If you want to change the stiffener, you can change it, but I don't want, and everything is okay. From here you can see how it's look. Okay, okay, apply. Okay, you will see it will take little bit of time. Now you will see. Okay, so let's give connection over here also. First select this column, then beam, go and steel connection, and select the connection which we have applied. 2 plates, let's see, single plate, single side, we have written single side, and Okay, select this one, click outside. Now you can see bolt and plate has been placed over here. Okay, suppose you want to change the color of the connection. For that you have to click here, and if you want to change the different color of both bolt and this plate, so break it first, this one also break it, and select this bolt, right click, override graphic view, category, select the materials. Suppose you want to see bolt in red color, and okay, apply. Okay, you will see all the bolt has been changed. Okay, you can see here, from here also. Okay, suppose you want to change the color of this plate, go in, select the plate, click the right click, override the graphics, choose by category, pattern is solid, and color, make the color, suppose you want green color. Okay, apply. Okay, you can see okay, in this way you can use connection. Okay, this is all about your connection in Revit, how you can connect the beam and column. Okay, single sided and end plate connection. Okay, that's all for today. In next video we will see some other topics. Thank you for watching the video.